In this video, I'll show you how to create a lovable app from scratch. If you have an app idea but don't want to code everything manually, Lovable lets you describe what you want and turn it into a working web app using AI. First, open your web browser and go to Lovable. Once the website loads, log into your account or create a new one if you don't already have access. After signing in, you'll be taken to the main dashboard where you can start building a new project. Next, click the option to create a new app or start a new project. This is where you'll describe the app you want Lovable to build. Before typing your prompt, think clearly about what the app should do. For example, you might want to create a dashboard, task manager, booking app, CRM, marketplace, SaaS tool, calculator, content planner, or any other type of web app. Now, write a clear prompt explaining your idea. You can say something like, create a modern task management app with user login, project boards, task cards, due dates, and a clean dashboard. The more specific your prompt is, the better the first version will be. Include the main features, pages, design style, and user flow you want inside the app. After submitting your prompt, Lovable will start generating the app for you. It may create the front end, layout, pages, buttons, database structure, and basic functionality based on your instructions. Once the first version is ready, open the preview and test how the app works. Click through each page and check the main features, test buttons, forms, navigation, login pages, dashboards, tables, and any important action inside the app. At this stage, don't expect everything to be perfect immediately. The goal is to get the first working version, then improve it step by step. If something needs to be changed, use the chat inside Lovable to give new instructions. For example, you can ask it to redesign the homepage, add a pricing page, create a user dashboard, fix a button, connect a database, improve the mobile layout, or make the design look more professional. Next, customize the visual style of your app. You can ask Lovable to change colors, spacing, fonts, cards, buttons, menus, and overall layout. If you want a clean SaaS look, a dark mode interface, a minimal dashboard, or a more modern startup style, describe that clearly and let Lovable update the design. After the structure and design are ready, focus on the app functionality. Make sure user actions actually work. If your app needs authentication, database storage, payments, forms, or user profiles, test each feature carefully. If something is missing, ask Lovable to add it or fix the logic. You should also check the mobile version of the app. Open the preview in mobile view and make sure the layout still looks good on smaller screens. Buttons should be easy to tap, text should be readable, and the main sections should not look broken or crowded. Once your app is working properly, review the final version before publishing. Check the homepage, app pages, forms, user flow, error messages, and any important details your users will see. This final check helps you catch small problems before sharing the app publicly. When everything looks good, click the Publish or Deploy option inside Lovable. The platform will generate a live link for your app, which you can open in a new tab and test like a real user. If the published version works correctly, you can share the link with customers, users, clients, or your team. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to create a Lovable app from scratch. The main steps are simple. Start a new project, describe your app idea, generate the first version, test the app, improve it with prompts, customize the design, check the functionality, and publish it online. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn ModeLab for more AI tools, no-code apps, and app building tutorials.